First on the list is Dushane Allen, OC Nigel. He is of Greenwich in Betheltown and is wanted for 3 murders committed in that area. He is considered armed and extremely dangerous. Described as a major violence producer who continues to impact crime in the parishes of Hanover and Westmoreland, coming in at number 2 is Glenroy Roach, OCI. He is from Vineyard Town in Kingston and West End in Negril. He is wanted for murder committed in West End. He too is armed and dangerous. Burton Shearer, OC BAP of Church Lincoln in Westmoreland. He is wanted for murder and is a person of interest in another murder. According to police, he made a threat on the life of a judge. O'Brien Ellis, OC Joe Grind of Phase 6 Landilo in South Lamar, is wanted for murder and is also considered to be armed and dangerous. Glenroy Clark, OC Max of Golden Grove in Hanover, Hooger Lane, Norwood, St. James and Haddo in Westmoreland is wanted for murder committed on Marshall Road in Haddo in February of this year. Another one of the 10 men who is considered to be armed and dangerous. Jermaine Gordon, OC Dangles, OC Ding Dong of Burnt South Westmoreland and Mount Salem in St. James is wanted for murder and wounding with intent. Orlando Jarrett of Red Ground, Negril and Rickett Street in South Lamar is wanted for housebreaking. Steve Vassell, OC Busman Strength of Shortwood Road, Kingston, is wanted for murder. Dwayne Clark, OC Bujo of Coffee Walk, Delvland in Westmoreland, escaped custody in 2009. Ash Wayne Campbell, OC Cappy of Fletcher's Hill, Lennox, Big Woods and Darliston in Westmoreland is wanted for murder and is considered to be armed and dangerous. Assistant Superintendent in charge of operations for the parish of Westmoreland, Adrian Hamilton, is tonight making a plea to residents of the parish to help the police restore law and order.
From Betheltown to Berkshire, from White House to Whitehall, Grange Hill, and we're asking you to come on board to support us. And we want you, the citizens, to know that of Westmoreland that you deserve better, and we are here to provide the quality service for as long as it takes to ensure that the communities return to normalcy. So we solicit your support.
Kingsley Thompson, CVM Live.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.